Hello and welcome back to Bhavani JIB. Today we are talking about retail banking, especially made for Indian bank employees aiming to crack JIB. In our journey through Paper 4 Module B, we start with the 12th unit, Digitization of Retail Banking Products. Here we will be learning about technology in retail banking, customer analytics, IDR-BT, NFS, SFMS, IBCC, etc., and the digital lending. Technology and retail banking are inseparable. The levels of technology implementation in TSB started from standard loan automated ledger posting machines in the early days of computerization in 1980 and graduated to total branch automation and regional network hubs. Technology in retail banking has left imprint in three levels: products, processes, and on services delivery mechanism. In the retail liabilities and assets side, the software is developed mainly to capture the following types of information: static information for account opening and basic loan data, updated information for income details, etc., transaction information from disbursement to final settlement in loan accounts, analytics and alerts, that is, the strategic alerts to take action or to develop strategies for further action. Next is the customer analytics. This is an integrated universal banking solution which provides holistic customer analytics for the banks. The key modules that help banks perform the above analytics are as follows: business benefits, creating framework for customer acquisition, development, and retention, enhance customer value. It facilitates effective cross sell and upsell, improved decision making. It supports and empowers the business with the intelligence to make informed and well advised decisions. Reduced time to market. The inbuilt analytics reduce the time to go live significantly. Low total, low total cost. Low total cost of ownership. It leads to the minimal investment in terms of infrastructure, capabilities, and resources. IDRBT, Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology. The Reserve Bank of India constituted a committee on technology upgradation in the payment system under the chairmanship of Shri W.S. Saraf, the ED of RBI. Further, RBI approved the recommendation and established an institute with a brief to technology absorption in the banking and financial sector. Therefore, IDRBT came into existence from March 6, 1996. This has launched the following technology services like Infinite, SFMS, NFS, IBCC, etc. We shall be talking about all these four in brief in the further slides. Infinite, Indian Financial Network. It is a closed user group network which forms the backbone for banking and financial sectors. SFMS, Electronic Fund Transfers, Electronic Clearing Services, NEFT, RTGS, is being done through Infinite. It is a reliable communication backbone which facilitates running different applications or services. SFMS, Structured Financial Messaging System, is a secure messaging standard developed to serve as a platform for intra and interbank applications. It is an Indian standard similar to the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, which is called as SWIFT in short. It can be used practically for all purposes of secure communication within the bank and between banks. This is about Infinite and SFMS. Next, we will move to NFS, National Financial Switch. NFS, though it was launched by IDRBT, it was taken over by National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, in 2009. It is now the leading multilateral ATM network in the country. The operational functions and services are at par with most of the global ATM networks. Each member joining the NFS network would have to pay a one-time subscription fee of 3 lakhs plus applicable taxes. The card issuing member pays the card acquiring member an interchange fee for each approved transaction for providing ATM services. Next is the IBCC, Indian Banking Community Cloud, IBCC. Cloud computing is a promising technology that provides various services to the customers on demand over the internet. A community cloud can possibly be a solution where the cloud services are meant for organizations having common objectives and security controls. It is an internet based computing technology where a large pool of systems are connected through private or public networks to provide dynamically scalable infrastructure for applications, data, and file storage. Cloud computing technology provides three fundamental services, namely software as a service SaaS, platform as a service PaaS, and infrastructure of the service called as IaaS. SaaS is an on-demand software, whereas PaaS is a computing environment provided as a service to the customer to build their own applications. IaaS is a pool of equipment including server storage system, etc., provided as a service to the customers where providers can handle customer applications, workloads, etc. This is about NFS and IBCC. Next is digital lending. The process of digital lending involves lending through the web or mobile interface. Using technology to give authentication done and evaluation of credit, digital lenders are classified into three entities or groups. Entities regulated by the RBI and permitted to carry out lending business. Second are the entities authorized to carry out lending as per other statutory or regulatory provisions not regulated by RBI. Third are the entities lending outside the purview of any statutory or regulatory provisions. All loan disbursements and repayments are required to be executed only between the bank account of the borrower and the regulatory entities without any pass-through account of any third party. Any fees or charges payable to the lending service provider, that is the LSP, shall be paid directly by the RE, that is the regulated entity, and not by the borrower. Standardized key fact statement, KFS, and annual percentage rate, APR, has to be disclosed to the borrowers. So this is about the digital lending. So far, we have learned about the technology in retail banking, customer analytics, IDRBT, NFS, SFMS, IBCC, etc., and digital lending. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of banking. Stay tuned, stay informed, and keep banking the Bhavani JAIB way. Thank you. And next up, we will be learning the next unit, that is AI and technology in retail banking. Until next time, happy banking.